Hi guys, let's find out what's inside these eggs. It's a blue hexagon. Can you find the item with the hexagon shapes? Yes, it's the soccer ball. Let's open the next one. It's a yellow star. Can you find the item with the stars? It's on the American flag. There are 50 stars. It's an orange circle. Which item is round like a circle? Yes, it's the donut. It's a green octagram. Which item has the shape of octograms? It's the geometric art. A pink heart. Which item is in the shape of a heart? You are right, it's the cake. A pink diamond. Which item is in the shape of a diamond? It's the colourful kite. A red flower. Can you find the item with the flower shapes? It's the t-shirt. A red arrow. Can you find the item with the arrow? Yes, it's the road markings. An orange trapezoid. Which item is in the shape of a trapezoid? It's the popcorn box. A green cross. Which item here shows the cross? You are correct, it's the railway cross. Yellow triangle. Which item below has the triangle shapes? Correct, it's the party banner. A blue square. Which item has squares? You are correct, it's the chessboard. Thank you for helping in finding the correct shapes. See you in the next one. Please like and subscribe. Bye.